Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the garage. So as you guys seen in the beginning first clips, I was welding, making some roses. If you guys follow me for a while, you guys seen before last year I actually made these roses. I offered them for Valentine's Day, and I figured I'd offer them again, and I gave one to my son so I thought he can promote it at school. Hey, don't blame me. I gotta make some money somehow, right? And plus it'll help him. I am gonna give him a little bit of it. He doesn't know about me giving him money, but I am gonna give him some money because he is earning it by promoting it and selling some of them. So figured I'd go ahead and make a few of them. I practice on TIG welding this time because MIG welding it comes up with splatter and everything else, and I didn't want that to happen on these roses again. So we're gonna go ahead and TIG weld them from now on. You guys also seen that I ended up putting the rear trailing arms, tightening everything up on the all-wheel drive EK, also taking off the drive shaft. And the main reason being is because there is a couple of things that I'm gonna be doing this weekend with the car, taking it to a few meets, cars and coffee, and I want to be able to drive the car. I didn't want to sit it on jack stand, so I figured let's just go ahead and convert it to front wheel drive for the time being, and we'll take it easy. No more happy foot, I promise, guys, on this, without I don't blow another stock motor. So that way we can at least enjoy it and still attend an event. One of the events, or one of the things that we're going to be doing, is going up to the homie's shop. He is actually opening up his own shop, and I just want to wish him nothing but the success. It is the homie Jesse, right-hand drive loc. He drives that EG4, I believe it is, the hatchback with the bronze Mugen MF10s. So he is opening up his own small shop. So me and a bunch of other homies, we're going to go support him, and we're also going to be attending the Cars and Coffee here local. So we'll see what all happens, but I really wanted to take the car. I didn't want to take a truck. I didn't want to take any other car because I don't drive any of the other cars. So I figured let's just go ahead and convert it over to front wheel drive. Meanwhile, we wait for Brandon, which I might be meeting up with them the same weekend up the hill in Victorville, so I thought I can grab the diff from him. But also, guys, you guys also seen that we brought in my right-hand drive Integra, and man, oh man, I got a story to tell you guys, and a lot of people, I don't know what you guys are gonna think, but so as far as the right-hand drive Integra, man, I've come to realize that it's time to let it go. And I've had it listed on Marketplace for about 6 months, and I've been talking with the gentleman just recently within the last week, and he is very serious. He lives up north by Dana, a little bit further than him, and we've been talking, and guy did not lowball me or any of that. You know, I talked to him over the phone, and I told him, please just don't waste my time. If you're serious, come get it and enjoy it. So we are scheduled here on Tuesday for him to come down, pick it up, but before we do that, there's a few things I need to do to it. I need to lift up the car so that he can tow it and put it on a trailer so that he can take it back over there. And the U-Haul trailer usually has that little lip in the middle, so it will hit in this section, which I don't want, so I'm going to raise it up a few inches all the way around. Aside from that, I do got to remove the wheels. Wheels are not going to go with the car as they are a high value wheel. Aside from that, I got to remove the steering wheel setup and also the license plates. The license plates on these are from Japan, and these are the light up ones, and these are still in commission, I guess you can say. So usually, back then, they usually decommission them by putting a circle in them, punching a hole in them, and you can never reuse them again in Japan, and these don't have that. They're still intact, fully functioning, they're authentic, and they are not going with the car. As far as the steering wheel setup goes, it's not going to go with it either because it belonged to the late homie, Michael Atkins, my homie Fatty that passed away. And it's just something that I do cherish, and it's not going to go anywhere. So for you things that we got to get into, I'll go ahead and do all that little by little. I'm going to throw you guys on a time lapse, take care of all that. But there's also some stuff I want to share with you guys at the end of the video. I bought some stuff that hopefully will help with the channel and help with just me overall with everything that I plan on doing. So let's go ahead and get to it, man, and see what we can get done right now because I need to go pick up my kids from school. Alrighty guys, so we just got home, and it's a little later than what I expected because I forgot I had a haircut appointment. So car is on jack stands. I didn't get to do all this as I stated, but right now mainly all I got to do is take off the license plates front and back. I got to lift up the rear of the car so that I can get to the coilovers, drop the lower control arm, raise it up about 2 to 3 inches from the back and also to the front. Same thing all the way around, and then from there we're going to go ahead and remove the steering wheel setup and put another steering wheel on it that I have. So main reason why, I think I've already explained it, is that this belonged to the homie so that passed away, and I'm not going to go ahead and let it go because it is sentimental to me, and also the shift knob. Other than that, the car is going to be pretty much ready. Clean it up, make sure I take out all of everything that's mine and I don't want him to have, and just go from there, man, and give it a good wash later on. But for the time being, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on a time lapse and get everything done.
What we do here is go back.
Down. Thank you. Come on. Come on. No. No. Hey, get away from there. Get away from there. Get away from there. Come on. Come on, Stinky Dude. Alrighty, guys. So, everything's pretty much done on the car. License plates are off. I gave it a quick wash real quick just to clean it up because it's pretty dirty, man, and I didn't like it. So I'm not gonna give somebody a dirty ass car, but it cleans up well. You know, license plate, bottom license plates are off. Car is raised up about 2 inches all the way around. You can see the big ass gap that I'm not fond of. So I mean, it is what it is. You know, car is still complete. I just gotta switch out the steering wheel, but I'll do that later on. It's not really essential right now because it's still got a few days. Just wanted to get majority of it done. Now it's just the steering wheel, and pretty much we're golden. But pretty much that's gonna wrap it up for today. There's a few things I wanted to show you guys, as I stated in the beginning of the video. There's some stuff that I bought, man. I mean, it's stuff to hopefully help the channel, and hopefully it will help grow everything that I've been wanting to do. You guys know that I'm trying to expand, I'm trying to get my own place, and I'm trying to do things correctly. So I thought we can just have a lot easier time, in all honesty. But let's go ahead and get to the desk and see what we got. Alrighty, guys, so right now pretty much I really wanted to open up some stuff with you, but I already opened everything up. So just want to show you guys what I got. Hopefully this helps the channel a little bit. Some of it's going to be beneficial for my son because I want him to practice certain things. He has a passion for something, and I figured why not invest in it too, and also it'll help the channel at the same time. Some people will say it's overboard or whatever it is for the small channel, but that's not really why I'm doing it. I'm really doing it for my son, but again, I can use beneficial for the channel also. So first thing we ended up getting was this fuel hose. This is going to go to the surge tank itself, not the surge tank, but the fuel cell itself. I need to cut it because filling up the fuel cell is a pain in the ass, because on the neck itself there's like an X in it, so that you can't go all the way in, and it kind of just splashes back once the fuel hits it. So this is going to help it. I got to make something to where it can kind of be buoyant inside the tank so it can tell me when it's full, and now I can stop, because I won't be able to tell with this in it. But that's just something I got to figure out, and hopefully that can be figured out here soon, because I do have the neck here. This is the whole thing, so this will mount on the back end of the trunk. I got to make a bracket for it, and it will screw in to lock in place, and it will do the same. It'll clamp down here also on the neck itself. So we'll get to that here shortly, probably in the next couple of videos, because we still got to go to the engine builder to see how that's doing. Aside from that, I ended up buying a DJI mic, because sometimes on the videos you can barely hear the voice, and hopefully this will help. I've had issues with it, and I figured might as well invest. It was on Amazon for like $100 and I picked it up, so it wasn't bad at all, and this will come in handy for this also. I ended up purchasing a new camera, and the main reason for this, as I stated, is for my son, so that he can practice his photography. He is in photography class, but at the same time, it's going to help the channel. I can record with it, I can take pictures with it, and hopefully we get a little bit better quality. I'm not going to use this for like a lot of the, you know, fabrication and all that stuff, videoing it, because I don't want it to get all messed up. But it's just a little bit of investment. Hopefully that will help me. As you guys know now, at the end of the video, you guys seen even before the video, or during the video, the right hand drive is going to be sold. Hopefully everything goes through, and I'll update you guys that on the next video and give you guys a little bit of the whole progress of getting rid of it. It's going to suck, I'm not going to lie. I'm already feeling it the way it is now, but at the end of the day, it's an investment for myself, investment for my family, and hopefully an investment just for the future of us. I don't mind doing sacrifices. Again, the car just sits, and my son's kind of pissed off at me because he wanted the car, but at the same time, there's always more time when he gets older for us to buy him another car, and I'm going to keep that in mind. I do want to work on something. He already knows the plan, and hopefully everything goes through, because something that I've been trying to work on too, if this sells, then I will be picking up with something else for the channel. So hopefully everything goes smooth, so that way we can continue on the channel. But as I stated, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you guys did, please comment, like, subscribe. Again, unfortunately, the right-hand drive is going, and I'll keep you guys updated on the next video. But with that being said, guys, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till next time.